Start Pig Farming TV. These are some of the pigs we have in the farm, and these are different pens with different purposes. We have the breeder's pen, the grower's pen, even the winner's piglet's pen. So these pigs are released from their pen because their pen is to be cleaned this morning. Sprinkling of water on pigs is a routine management practice that is very necessary in order to help the piglets or pig to cool off from harsh weather temperature. If the temperature is so high, pigs tends to be under heat stress or heat stroke. They won't feel comfortable. So before now, pigs are being provided with a water bath, but this practice is no longer practiced because some of the pigs will enter into the water bath and defecate inside the water bath, and some even drink from this contaminated water bath that is designated in the pig pen for them to wallow whenever they feel hot. That's why you see pigs like swampy and wetty environment, because anytime they feel hot, they usually go there to do what? To cool off. So sprinkling of water on your pigs is a routine management practice you should always carry out in your farm for your pigs to grow very well. Matured boar pigs. So these pigs are reared in no distant time. They will use for breeding and crossing and every other thing. These are the winner piglets from large white. So pigs have different breed. We have the Duroc, we have the Landrace, we have the large white. So these ones are the large whites. They are very young and agile, as you can see. Are very agile and active. So I like large white very well because they gain weight, because they have this high efficiency of converting feed into pork meat, which is very important and one of the things every farmer will be looking out for, because pig farming is a business. You want a pig that no matter the little feed you provide for them, they will be able to convert it, digest it, and produce a good weight. Are you there? Especially if you manage your pigs very well, they will be blushing and very appealing to the eye. These are hygienically reared pigs. Very important. How do you see them? How do they look like? What's your take on them? If you want us to discuss and also know how we are able to raise such a beautiful and hygienically reared pig, use the comment section to contact us. These are 8 weeks old winner pigs. 8-week-old winner pigs, piglets. So these ones are very agile. You see, before you know it, they will run around. They are eating. So remember, in our farm, we feed them both grasses and formulated feed ration. So this is elephant grass. We provide elephant grass for them. Before providing this elephant grass, we wish to rinse in the grass in water to rinsing away dust and every other impurities that may be attached to the leaves. Then after rinsing it, we soak it in water for 30 minutes. Then after rinsing it, we allow it to dry before introducing the leaves to the piglets. And piglets relish the nutrients therein in those leaves and grasses. Then after, we supplement with formulated diets with regards to their growth and development. So these ones are very agile. You see them, they are doing very well. So I hope when training your pig, always look out for an environment that is devoid of stress, sun, and every other thing. So these are the things. I wouldn't know if you are interested in pig farming. So these are one of the things we're able to do, and it's going very well. So I would like you to enjoy what we have for you. So they are very active, moving about. Once I leave, they are very hungry. They always search for food. Any movement, they will monitor the movement, go around, in search of food, in search of water, and that is to know when your pigs are very healthy. If they are healthy, they will be very agile. They will move. They will struggle. But whenever any of them fall sick, you find them, they'll stay aloof. They will become docile. So these are one of the characteristics of your pigs. Always remember to monitor your pigs. Monitor your pigs very well so that they will not, you know, when they are sick and when they are doing very well. So these are the things. Also, make sure the pigs are very provided with the required ration, balanced diet, and every other thing, as it helps them to relish and nourish their body. Provide them with the energy they needed to run around. Provide them with the nutrients that will power their body systems and makes them to be agile. So that is it. I hope you are learning something. So I would like you to use some minutes to observe these pigs. Do you think they are agile? What's your take on them? Are they really good? What do you think we are feeding them? Do you want to know? Ask your question in the comment section. Take a look at them. How agile, how brave, how active they are. It's very, very important. It's very, very necessary. So this is the things as a pig farmer. You need to monitor them. You need to observe them. Daily routine monitoring to check if they are actually doing good. If they have anything that is strange. One of the reasons you should monitor them is also to know their physics. If it changes color and if there's any uncommon behavior in the head, in the pig head or your flock, you'll be able to identify them early and act fast. If any of them show signs of disease, you isolate that one, quarantine it, so that it will not spread the disease among your pig stock. So this is one of the benefits of daily routine management in your pig farming. So having said this, keep it at the back of your mind to always monitor your pigs, provide the best of feed, formulation, give them a mixture of grasses, roughages, and supplement with formulated diets such as breakfast spent grain, palm kernel cake, maize, sorghum, soybeans, and every other thing, blood meal, and bones, crushed bones. So this is the things and the ways you can take care of your pigs. I hope this video goes a long way in putting you through. Follow us, subscribe, comment, and also check out our next video. And we'll be glad you did. Thank me later. Remember, this is Start Pig Farming TV. We are on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. So now, having watched this video, what video would you like us to do next? If you have any questions or suggestions or some things concerning pig farming you would like us to talk about, feel free to use the comment section to indicate your interest and tell us more. Remember, we are here for you. You never walk alone in your pig farming journey. So that's why we are here. Before telling us, always remember to tell us the region you are watching us from and whether you are an existing pig farmer or intending pig farmer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.